Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning, open your phone dialer, then go to Contacts and select the contact that you would like to block. Tap on it and hold it for about 2 seconds. And now from the pop-up list, select Add to Blacklist. Then you have to confirm it, because you will not receive any calls or messages from this contact. And if you are sure that you would like to do it, just tap on Add to Blacklist. That's it. You will no longer receive any calls from this number. If you would like to delete it from this blacklist, just tap on it one more time and select Remove from Blacklist. And that's it. Now this number will be able to reach you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.